In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create trading signals with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. I will be guiding you through the entire process of using ChatGPT to generate your own trading signals specifically for cryptocurrency trading. So grab your device and let's get started. To kick things off, I open my preferred web browser and navigate directly to the main ChatGPT interface. Make sure you're logged in to your account if necessary. Once the page loads, you'll notice a central chat box where you can enter your prompts. This is where the magic happens. Now, instead of just typing in a basic question, I'm going to use a very structured and professional prompt that's designed specifically for cryptocurrency analysis. This is crucial because a well-crafted prompt will lead to more accurate and detailed responses from the AI. So what does this prompt look like? Essentially, I instruct ChatGPT to act as a professional crypto trading analyst. I want it to evaluate the current market data for BTC against USDT and then output a comprehensive, actionable trading signal. Once I've pasted this highly structured prompt into the chat box, I take a moment to carefully review the text to ensure everything is correct. Make sure that your instructions are precise. Any ambiguity could lead to less useful responses. After I confirm that it looks good, I move my mouse to the bottom right corner of the input field and click the Send Prompt button. This button usually resembles an upward arrow. At this stage, ChatGPT gets right to work. You'll notice the interface changes slightly as it starts processing your instruction. What's fascinating is that you can see it generating the response in real time. I find this feature quite engaging. As those lines of text appear, I'm watching each custom indicator being filled out one by one. Once it's finished generating the response, we receive a highly organized financial breakdown. It might advise you to hold your Bitcoin, which means that, according to the analysis, it's not quite the right moment to buy or sell. Along with that recommendation, it sets a specific entry price range, so you'll know at what prices you might consider entering a new position. The analysis also establishes a protective stop loss, which is essential in any trading strategy to minimize potential losses. Furthermore, it maps out 3 progressive take-profit levels for scaling out of the trade. This means you can set multiple exit points that align with different profit targets, allowing you to manage your trade effectively. Another aspect that's included is the dynamic confidence level, giving you an insight into how sure the algorithm is about the analysis it's providing you. It even recommends a specific time frame, like a 4-hour chart, which can greatly assist in making decisions based on market trends. Plus, it evaluates the current risk level, categorizing it as medium-high, which is a critical piece of information for any trader weighing their options. Right below all that, there's also a concise 3-sentence technical analysis explanation that clarifies how the current RSI and MACD trends support the market stance. This additional insight can help you understand the fundamental dynamics that are driving the current price action, which is proving to be extremely beneficial. Now that we have the complete trading signal neatly generated on our screen, you can easily copy these exact parameters. I recommend saving this information in your trading journal, or using it to inform your overall daily market strategies. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all my newest content, and I'd love to help you on your trading journey in the future. Thanks for watching and happy trading.